Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Tristan from Utah SEO Ninja, and today I'm really excited to talk to you guys. I have been invited to join extralife.org, and if you're not familiar with that, then basically it is a charity program designed specifically for YouTubers and for Twitch streamers, typically channels that are a lot bigger than mine. And the idea is that we use our platforms or like some kind of content that we're creating in order to help support children's hospitals. So 100% of donations go straight to the hospitals. It's a pretty cool thing, and they asked me to come and to sign up. I think right now there's a lot of reason to want to support these kinds of things. If I get into too many details or if I say any specific words, then YouTube actually won't let me use this video as an ad, or it won't promote it as much, but I think you guys get the idea. So this is the donation page. This is kind of like the hub for everything that's going to be happening. I'll tell you guys a little bit about how I'm going to promote this in just a second. Before I want to do that, I want to show you guys a couple of things down here. So the hospital that I am going to be promoting or working with in this particular case is the Intermountain Foundation Primary Children's Hospital. Now, the reason that this place is important to me, and the reason I chose this particular hospital, is because this is where my baby sister was born. And she had a little bit of a complicated pregnancy. We'll keep it there. I'll spare details. But basically, if it weren't for the efforts of the doctors and nurses and everybody working at this particular hospital, I probably wouldn't have a baby sister right now to bug on Facebook. So when I saw that I had the opportunity to support these guys a little bit more, then I really wanted to do it. And so that's what we're looking at here. So how am I actually going to incentivize you guys to donate to these folks? I have a plan and a strategy, and I think you're actually going to like it quite a bit. For those of you who don't know, the majority of my business these days is in YouTube marketing. I mostly work with organic traffic, or like getting videos to show up in recommendations, getting them to show up in search. I also do a lot with paid traffic. In fact, I've done a lot with paid traffic over the last year or so. I've actually been able to generate over $30 million in leads for my clients using YouTube. And again, that's a combination of organic and paid traffic. And aside from that, I'm also a YouTube certified channel growth consultant. I know a little bit about starting channels and helping them to grow and be successful on the platform. And so one of the things that I've been wanting to do for a long time, one of the systems I've been trying to build, is actually a 5-day challenge. It's a start a successful YouTube channel in 5-day challenge. Okay. So the idea is that over the course of a 5-day period, I'm going to show you guys how to create a YouTube channel, not just the standard like personal channels, but we're going to create something called a branded channel. It gives you a few extra options and features. We're going to help you get that channel all set up and authorized and optimized and everything. Then we're going to talk about, we're going to help you to brand that channel. And then on day 3, we're going to talk about finding an audience. On day 4, we're going to talk about how to reach that audience, or like how to create content for that specific audience. Then day 5, we're going to show you how to optimize your content so you can reach that audience. And it's pretty darn cool stuff. This is basically the same thing that I do every time I start working with a new client. So every time we start a new channel for either a business or a coach or any other kind of creator, including gamers. It's also the first thing that I do whenever I start my own channels. It's a pretty in-depth process. And so I'm actually going to be giving this all away 100% for free. We're going to do it in a private Facebook group. The only catch is I'm going to be promoting this stuff here in that group at the same time and trying to incentivize you guys to donate to support this hospital. Now, as far as like the really simple incentives that are kind of built into the platform, so we can see those right here. For $20, you get listed in our on our website. So basically, this is going to be like a donor page. Essentially, you're buying a backlink from what's going to be a pretty strong site. So that's going to be right here. A $50 donation will get you a 1-hour consultation with me talking about your YouTube channel. So we can talk about how to make more money from the channel, how to optimize it better. You can do like a channel audit. Pretty much anything you guys need or want to talk about as far as YouTube, that can go in there, including YouTube paid traffic. So YouTube AdWords, that can also go into that part. And then I am launching a course here in a little bit where I'm going to be teaching this stuff. And then there's also going to be a support group that goes along with that. And if you donate $200 or more, obviously you get these other options or these other features and incentives. Plus you get lifetime access to that program once it goes live. So it's pretty cool. We're pretty excited about it. This just launched today. This is where my live streams are going to go. And I can't wait to get started on this. So if you would like information about Extra Life, I'm going to leave a link to this page in the comment section. If you'd like to join the challenge, I'm going to leave a link to that in the comment section as well. And if you have any questions for me, then you can leave those in the comment section, or you can write me directly. You'll find my email and stuff in the description. But I think that will do it for this video. I hope you guys have an excellent day. Hope to see you in the boot camp, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.